So imagine a young boy named Arjun, bright, inquisitive, and brimming with energy. He found joy in painting, storytelling, and building small science experiments in his backyard. Yet in his school, none of these talents seemed to matter. His identity was reduced to marks, rigid numbers that failed to capture his true potential. One day, one of his teachers, maybe Mrs. Sharma, observed something remarkable. Arjun, who struggled with written examinations, excelled when explaining concepts to his friends. His eyes sparkled with enthusiasm during science projects, and his vivid storytelling brought history to life. Don't you think it's a learning? Please think on. And then national education policy came into the picture. NEP 2020 with its transformative, continuous, and comprehensive evaluation. This approach, I think, this approach was designed for students like Arjun, ensuring that education moved beyond marks to foster holistic development. I can say it's a new dawn in the learning. Under this system, students are not assessed solely through high stakes examinations, but through a balanced mix of formative and summative assessments. What does this mean? It means evaluations are regular, on daily basis, varied and centered on real understanding rather than rote memorization. I can say instead of mindless repetitive or repetitions, students engage in projects, quizzes, discussions, and reflective journals. Even instead of fearing exams, they receive multiple opportunities to showcase their talents with the help of PBLs or other methods of adopted by the teachers. Even instead of being labeled by grades, they benefit from detailed feedback that highlights strengths and areas for improvements. Teachers as mentors, not just evaluators. Mrs. Sharma, like many dedicated educators, embraced the shift to CCE through specialized training. Even I want to say with the help of Mrs. Sharma that assessments must cause conceptual understanding rather than mere memorization. I wish to mention through Mrs. Sharma, self and peer evaluations empower students to take ownership of their learning journey. Technology driven insights help and track the individual's progress and offer personalized support. If you evaluate now, Arjun's portfolio was not just a collection of his scores, it was a showcase of achievements, a testament of his growth. And I want to say that parents and community also play a very important role in the education system. So, and you must have observed that schools have introduced regular parents teacher interactions to discuss student post progress holistically. Meanwhile, if you observe, communities also stepped in to offer real world learning experiences, the internships, the projects, and some social works that ensuring that education extended beyond classroom walls. A commitment to inclusivity, no child should feel excluded, whether a student required special learning, accommodations, or preferred. So, assessment in their regional languages, CCE, ensured that every learner had an equal opportunity to thrive. At the end, I want to mention that a future beyond marks, and so Arjun, once a child anxious about marks, became a lifelong learner. He painted, he built, he explored, and most importantly, he flourished. This is the essence of CCE under NEP 2020, an education system that values potential beyond a mere report card. So, my dear friends, Let us embrace this educational revolution. Let's redefine success, ensuring that no child is confined by marks, by numbers, but celebrated for their curiosity, creativity, and passion for learning. Marks cannot bind our students' creativity. That is why CCE is enrolled. Thank you, everyone.